Hi everyone, today I'm going to explain your English assignment. So this year we've learned all about different kinds of writing. We've learned about small moment stories, information books, opinion writing, even poetry. For the next few weeks we're going to talk about narrative writing. Small moment stories are actually a type of narrative writing, so you guys already know a lot about narratives. You are going to write your own narrative story about anything that you want. Today we will start the writing process with pre-writing. So let's take a look at your assignment. After you watch my teacher video, you're going to review the information from the teacher video on slide 3. Then you need to complete slide 4, which I'll show you how to do after the lesson. Let's look at the elements of narrative writing. What is narrative writing? Narrative writing tells a story. It can be real or make-believe. So small moment stories are real narrative stories that have happened to you. Narrative writing has a beginning, a middle, and an end. Narrative writing has characters. Narrative writing has a setting. And narrative writing has sequential order. So something happens first, next, and last. Today, in the pre-writing stage, you're going to think of as many ideas as you can that you could write a narrative story about. You can record them here by inserting text boxes, or you can add them to the same chart that you have in the back of your writing folder. Next week, you will choose one of your ideas and write a narrative story about it. Make sure you record at least 5 to 10 new ideas for a narrative story. If you choose to add these ideas to the back of your writing folder, don't forget to take a picture and insert the image here so me and Miss Vivi can see your ideas. Once you finish, turn in the assignment on Google Classroom.